In this video, I will show you how you can fix if the touchscreen is not working on your iPad 11A16. Now to fix this issue, just grab your iPad. Then at the top of your iPad, you will find the volume buttons. Now just press and release the volume up and the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button on your iPad until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Just keep pressing and holding the side button. And as you see the Apple logo on the screen, just release the side button. Now, after the forced restart process is completed, then just check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just check if the buttons on your iPad are stuck or not. If the buttons of your iPad are stuck, then just press each button a couple of times and make sure you free them up, because sometimes dirt and oil might build up around the buttons and this can interfere with the working of the buttons. Now after you press each button a couple of times and after you free them up, then just perform the forced restart again and check if the forced restart fixes your issue or not. But if you've done that and if your issue is still not fixed, then you might have a hardware problem with your iPad. Just take your iPad to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix if the touchscreen is not working on your iPad 11A16. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.